Κράτα ρίχνει. Τώρα κράτα το μηχανάκι.
Κλείνω.
Κλείσε. Έλα, σε φωνάζω.
Πάλι μετά. Αυτό είναι λεπτά στην
Rebel 500cc. Let's check this out, baby. This has tires, Dunlop tires. Dunlop comes just right out of the factory like this. Με Dunlop λάστιχα. Dunlop 150/80/16, the back tire. Look what they have here. So this goes further. Oh, here is the clutch, συμπλέκτης. Very soft. Here is the control. There is nothing here. Motor horn, signals. Δεν έχει κάτι εδώ πέρα. Φώτα, χόρνα και κάτω το flash. And here, ladies and gentlemen, here we have parking signal, electric start, and kill the engine. Just right out of the box. What else to see? Separate seat and for the rider. LED light. Ξέρετε γκλέζικα ρε. Nissin. And here adjustable. Ρυθμιζόμενο μορτεσέρ, ladies and gentlemen. This has metal under. This I'm not sure if plastic or metal, not sure. Let's check it out. Nissin brakes 130/90/16, 130/90/16. Dunlop. Here lock the steering wheel. This is plastic. And here oil, for the oil. Oh yeah, comes now, soon. This is glass here, you can check the oil. Amazing, isn't it? And there is something more to check here. Και κάτι άλλο κοιτάς εδώ, δεν ξέρω τώρα. Το PROMOTO δεν τα ξέρει όλα. Here is the gazi. Oh yeah. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Rebel 500cc here in Athens. GINOSSATIS PROMOTO. Oh yeah.